This is your typical restaurant quesadilla with 740 calories. And this is our version, but only 420 calories. Today, I'll be showing you how to make this quesadilla with some simple ingredient swaps. This quesadilla packs 60 grams of protein, perfect for building muscle and losing weight. Let's get started. We'll be using the carb balanced tortillas at just 110 calories. The best part, they're packed with 28 grams of fiber, which means only 4 net carbs, perfect for keeping you full. We'll build our cheese base using fat-free cheddar cheese. This simple trade reduces the calories from the cheese alone to 90 calories for 2 servings, down from around 200. To bulk up the meal, we're adding a layer of onions and peppers. They add fantastic volume and nutrients for barely any calories. Now for the protein. We're adding a generous amount of lean chicken breast. This is pure muscle-building fuel with virtually no unnecessary fat. We finished the filling with our second layer of fat-free cheese. So in order to make the quesadilla crispy, we'll be using the air fryer. By doing this, we'll avoid using cooking oils and therefore reducing the overall calories. If you don't have an air fryer and need to use a pan, use cooking spray like this one to help reduce the calories. All right, so for the air fryer, preheat it to 375 for 3 minutes. Then cook the quesadilla at 375 for 5 to 7 minutes, flipping it halfway through. You now have a 420 calorie meal that's loaded with protein and fiber and tastes like a cheat day. So next time you're craving a quesadilla and want to stay on track with your weight loss, definitely give this recipe a try. And as I mentioned in the video, protein is key for building muscle. And if you're looking for a new protein shake, I recently reviewed the Oikos protein shake from Costco. Check out that video right here.